Hi, today in this video we show you how to create this super cute Halloween decoration. It's quite easy to make. It's a little ghost with a witch hat. Okay, let's get started to create this super cute home decor, Halloween home decor. We will need to use a pencil. We will need a piece of white paper or the paper that you prefer. We can draw our ghost in this way. Voila. Now with a pair of scissors we will cut around our ghost in this way. And then voila. And then we will need to draw the two eyes with a pen like this one or another pen as you prefer. We will draw the eyes, or if you prefer you can cut the paper and create a sort of a hole. Voila. And then we will need to create the witch hat, and it's quite easy. With our pencil we will draw our hat. Voila. And with the scissors we will cut around the hat. Voila. Here our hat. Now we will need to glue this to our ghost, and then with some tacky glue we will put some tacky glue here, and then we will glue our hat. Voila, quite ready. And then if you want you can create the back of the hat in this way. It's quite easy. We will glue in this way with the white glue this part of the hat. If you prefer you can create the double hat before to glue it to the ghost, or in this way, and then you will have to cut around. Voila. And it's quite easy. Voila. Now round the corner and the other corner. Voila. Here our super cute hat. Now we will need to punch a hole in order to attach this ribbon. Voila. And in order to create a bigger hole we can do in this way. So we can to attach our ribbon in this way, cord or ribbon, I don't know the exact name. Voila. And then we will pass this part through the hole in this way, and here our super cute home decor. Voila, they are so nice, so easy to make, and you can create many of them, bigger, smaller. It's quite easy to create this super cute ghost for Halloween. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and see you next time with a new paper creation. Bye bye.